Hey, how are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm good too. What are you doing here?
I came to the park. You?
I came for a walk.
Oh, the weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. It feels great.
Let's sit on that bench.
Yes, let's go.
Do you come to the park every day?
No, only sometimes. You? I come almost every day. Walking is my habit.
That's wonderful. Regular walking is really good for health.
You're absolutely right.
Shall we walk a little?
Of course. Let's go. Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, music is my walking companion. You?
Same for me.
These days, everyone listens to music on their phone, but I also love bringing books.
You like reading books?
Yes, very much, especially storybooks.
Great. I also read novels.
I'm feeling a bit tired. Let's sit at the tea shop.
Yes, that would be nice. Do you like drinking tea?
A lot. I drink at least 2 cups every day.
Same for me. The day feels incomplete without tea.
You're right. How's the tea today?
Quite good. Hot and aromatic.
The tea from this shop is famous. I often come here.
I see, so you're a regular customer.
How could say that? I really enjoyed the tea. Where should we go now?
If you like, we can go back to the park.
Yeah, let's go to the park. How about sitting by the lake?
Perfect. It's very beautiful there.
Look, how beautifully the light is reflecting on the water.
It looks amazing. Nature truly gives peace.
Do you like taking photos?
Yeah, sometimes. Mostly nature shots.
Me too. I feel like a moment stays forever inside a picture.
Well said.
It's been quite a while. I should go home now.
Yes, time has passed quickly.
Today was really nice.
Same for me. I enjoyed talking with you.
If you're free tomorrow, will you come again?
Of course. Will you come?
Yes, I will.
Then we'll meet again tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care.